nature class. Now, strawberry, violet, honey, rosy, all together, hold hands. We don't want to get lost in the woods. Ugh. Nanny Pram, why do we have to do the nature class? It's boring. Yes. Learn about silly plants. Yes, and frogs. And mushroom. Now, every young fairy have to know all about plants. What? Yes. Now, what's your first plant called? Bear, Jake, Barnaby, and Lucy. Everyone hold hands. We don't want to get lost. This way. Why so tough? Why have we have to do a nature class? It's what an elf needs to know about nature. Oh. Now, what's this plant called? Is it a sort of plant? A correct name is a wilted thistle. Oh, now what's this plant called? Oh, we seem to outgrow some elves. Good day, Mistress Plum. Hello, wise old elf. Hi, Ben. Hi, Honey. We're doing a nature class. So let's team up. Yes. I'm not sure this is a good idea. Yes, fairy and elves don't go together. We learn about nature. So are we. Please, Nanny Pram, can we have a big team? Please, wise old elf, can we join? Okay, I suppose so. Well, I suppose I can have a bit of children. So you can collect the children when I finish my lesson. Eh? Follow me, everyone. I correct my class with a wilted thistle. Oh, so that be good. Interesting. Cannot we? You both know the silly plant's name. Yes, you both be in charge. Oh, in one thing, no magic. Okay, I'm doing nature class, not magic class, so it's agreed. Let's go! Oh, look, an acorn. Ah, now, can you know what will an acorn growing? An oak tree. I'm asking the children, not you. Yes, but an oak tree is a great answer. Now, what the wise old elf is trying to say is this big acorn will go into an oak tree. Ooh, cool. Can we see it grow? You need years to make in an oak tree. Oh, but I can make magic. Mistress Plum, we are agreed. No magic. Just look at the little children's sad little faces. They so want to see how the oak tree grows. No. Please, Nanny Plum, make the oak tree grow. Yes, please, Nanny Plum. I like to. But it's up to the wise old elf. Please, wise old elf. Oh, okay. I suppose. And we just do a little tiny bit. Stand back, everyone. Just a little bit. Okay? Okay. Thunder and lightning, north wind blow. Little acorn, grow, grow, grow. Whoa. Nanny Plum, you just said a little tree. I did make it a little big. I know, I'll just magic it down. No, please. We don't know. This way. Oh, mushroom. Now, who can tell me what this is? It's a toadstool. Yes, correct. Now, you should never ever eat a toadstool. It will make you very sick. What the old elf is going to say is you never ever eat a toadstool. It will make you very sick. Yes, so never ever eat a toadstool. Yes, wise old elf. And one thing about it is the wise old elf's going to sit on it. What? Elf not sitting on toadstool. Well, madam, I will cure you. The elves never sit on toadstool, but elves always sit. You just see that. You never catch an elf sit on toadstool. Hello everyone. Hi Dad. Hi Mr. Elf. Hello everyone. I see you found my special place to sit. It just catch the sun. Now we have a toadstool with an elf on top. Yes, quite sure. He looks very happy. Now this way. The last thing we want to see is frogs. Bye, Mr. Elf. Bye. The last thing will be frogs. Yes, it will be frogs. Nanny Pram will say frogs. Yes, it will be frogs. Now, who can tell me what we're going to see? Frogs. Yes, we're going to see frogs. Yes, madam, but there are not any frogs. Oh, not one frog. Well, we don't have to know. No, who wants to be a frog? Come on. Oh, I'll have to do magic myself. You see, abracadabra, make me into a frog. Now you see, children, how smelly is this frog? How sticky it is. Winky, stinky, smelly, and how sandy it is. Now, today nature class comes to an end. How's that, frog? Nanny Pram, you can turn yourself back now. I cannot think she can hold her one. Yes. Oh, quite a shame. Now for your homework. But wise old elf, we cannot have Nanny Pram, can we? Oh, I suppose so. Which young fairy want to turn her back? Me. We just need one. Honey, turn her back. I'm not very sure about this. I'm sure Nanny Pram just want you to have a go. Okay, I'll do my best. Zing zags, turn fairy into. Oh, it's worked. Oh, thank you, honey. Oops, I didn't try that. You did very well, honey. But you shake your one so hard. You just shake like this. Abracadabra, frog to fairy. Hooray! And that's how you magic. Yes. Now, quite sure no magic. Have you done magic? Yes. Now, the class made in the end. Yes. I said to them before you said no. This fun. Next time, the wise old elf will be. Thank you. It's great. Thanks, Nanny Pram. Thank you, Barnaby. Now, so the wise old elf and Nanny Pram will be in charge. We will have two of them. All right. Ho. Okay. The end.